undergraduate courses under the new education policy 2020. This talks about multiple entry and exit. Let's say you are studying in place A, but due to some family circumstances you have to move back to your native place. So you can drop the course there and enroll in the existing university at your native place with the remaining course. So that's what is multiple entry and exit options, and this can happen any number of times. It's not required that this can happen only once while you are studying. Again, it's not required that you have a 4 years of undergraduate degree as per the new education policy. If you complete your first year, you would be awarded certificate, and this would include 40 to 44 credits plus 10 credits for skill enhancement. The next is, if you complete in 2 years, you would be awarded diploma, and that would be 88 credits plus the exit course to get the diploma degree. For 3 years, you would be awarded a bachelor's degree, and that would be 120 to 132 credit hours of course that you would have to complete. And with 4 years, you would get an honors degree which focuses on a specific subject. It would have a research component, a multidisciplinary approach, and would accommodate somewhere from 160 to 176 credit hours. So that's how your undergraduate programs would change. Coming on to masters, depending on your undergraduate, if you have completed 4 years of undergraduate, you can complete your masters in 1 year. If you have completed 3 years as bachelor's degree, then you can have 2 years of your masters. So depending on your undergraduate, your master's course could be 1 year or 2 years, and each credit would involve 45 hours of work. Now this work would be split between what? It would include the teaching in the classroom and the practical work. It can also include internships, seminars, community service, learning methods that have been used. The next important thing with undergraduate course that has changed is, during the first 3 semesters, there would be common courses, and then later after 3 semesters you would opt for 2 minor courses and 1 major subject. So 2 minors to specialize and 1 major to specialize, and that would happen after the 3 semesters. During the 3 semesters, what would be the subjects that you would study? It would be language, it would be understanding India, environmental science, digital technologies, mathematical or computational thinking. It would pertain to yoga, sports, fitness. Then there would be health and wellness courses, and then some courses that pertain to your individual discipline, be it arts, humanities or natural sciences. So those are some of the basic courses that you would have to cover during the first 3 semesters. So those are some of the important changes that have come with the new education policy, specifically for higher education and undergraduate programs, and most of them are set to roll for 2022 itself. So stay tuned for updates, and wish you very good luck for your upcoming CUET examination. Thank you.